Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to connect ChatGPT to Make.com. Now this is the Make.com dashboard. All you want to do is come to the top right, click on create a new scenario, and you'll be redirected to this page. It will have a plus icon to basically add different modules. Now come here and search for ChatGPT. Okay, there you go, OpenAI, it's verified. Click on this. You can set the different triggers, you can choose the different actions for the AI options related to files, batches, responses, anything. So for example, let's say generate an image. I'll pick that, but mainly I just want to show you how to create a connection. Click here and create a connection. You can, name your connection name, right? And all you need now is your API key and organization ID. You can click on these links. So let's come over here and get our API key. Okay, of course you'll need to be logged in to OpenAI. So come here, click on login. We need to give it access. There we go. We're logging in to our OpenAI account. We're going to continue with Google. There we go. I'll pick this Google account right here. And we're basically signing in right now so we can get our API key. Right, so on this page, all you need to do is click on create a new secret key. You can name this anything you want. It's optional. You don't even have to. Just click on create secret key. Make sure you don't share this with anyone, okay? I'll copy this. I'll go back here, paste in the API key. Now we need the organization ID. So I'll come there, click on this other link, and we'll get to our organization ID, okay? So here, I want you to come and copy your organization ID. There you go. Taking this in, and you can go ahead and save this. Right? And you're basically connecting to ChatGPT. There you go. As you can see, we have successfully connected. The connection is there. You can choose your model. Okay. And then start your process, put in your prompt, and save that scenario. Really that easy and simple. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.